idea, giving non-violent offenders a ticket instead of a trip to jail. It's a program that saved some communities in Texas millions of dollars and freed up jail space. But 13 investigates discovered here in Houston and Harris County it is not being used nearly as often. ABC 13's Nick Notario wanted to know why, and he joins us with some of the answers. Nick?
In Bexar County, where San Antonio is, law enforcement is not only using this program more and saving taxpayers money, they also found that it's helped cut crime. They say those who get sent to the jail recommit another crime about 40% of the time. Those who just get a ticket, they say it's 8%. Knowing this, we went to law enforcement here and asked, with the jail so overcrowded, why they aren't using the program more. Overcrowding at the Harris County Jail has been in the headlines for months, a boiling point that's resulted in a record number of inmate deaths, out-of-compliance booking times, and shipping inmates to other facilities. There's another option that could help. It's called Cite and Release, created by the legislature 16 years ago, but just adopted by Houston and Harris County in the past few years.
This is one of those ways to be able to rectify or alleviate some of that strain that we are seeing on the jails.
Data analyzed by 13 investigates found HPD and HCSO have used Cite and Release just about 550 times since it started. In San Antonio's Bexar County, a county with half the population, it's been used more than 7,300 times. And the county says it saved them more than $5 million over the last 4 years in booking and jail cost. Why is that just not being done here?
I would hope that they know that we're doing everything that we can to provide the smart and correct answer to a very complex puzzle.
Here's how it works. If someone gets in trouble for a certain nonviolent crime, including some types of drug possession, theft, and criminal mischief, they could get a ticket and told to appear in court at a later date or redirected to a crime diversion program. It's designed to help keep them out of an overcrowded facility. But in nearly 3 years since it was adopted, Harris County deputies have used it only about 260 times.
If we have the opportunity to utilize it and it's appropriate, I think we should use it. I think there's always opportunities for efficiency and to relook at even things that are working very well to see if we can make it better.
In Houston, officers have issued about 220 tickets so far. We reached out to HPD several times to find out why, but we never heard back. So we took our questions to Councilmember Mike KNOX, who's vice chair of the Public Safety Committee.
Saving money is a great idea and everything, Nicholas, but the problem is one of the responsibilities of law enforcement is to keep the community safe. And if it's save money or keep the community safe, I'm going to fall on the side of keep the community safe.
We tried to find out how many people were arrested instead of issued a citation. So we put in a records request with the clerk's office, and we're able to get data from the past 3 years. It shows thousands of people were arrested for cite and release eligible charges, but that doesn't mean everyone qualifies. You can be excluded for several reasons, including if you don't live in the county, if you're not 18, or if you face other serious charges. While we can eliminate some, the Sheriff's Office and HPD doesn't share other disqualifying information, like if someone had a medical issue, or a suspect refused a citation, or simply the officer wanted to make an arrest instead of giving a ticket because of the circumstances at the scene. Without this information, it's hard to say if the program is running as efficiently as it could be, which criminal advocates say is troubling.
It's important to us that local governments who are spending taxpayer dollars do the work, do the research, right? Be committed to showing your people that we are doing the best thing that we can.
Jennifer CARREON is the Criminal Justice Project Director at Texas APPLESEED, a Texas civil rights organization. She's studied cite and release across the state. CARREON says in the cases they've reviewed, 12% of those arrested could have been issued a ticket under the cite and release program. In Bexar County, officers started to focus on cite and release 4 years ago. The DA says it's made a difference on the jail population.
The more cite and release was used, then we started seeing the numbers of people that were being arrested go down.
The Bexar County DA says people who get a ticket instead of being booked in the jail are assigned to a crime diversion program. We asked how often ticketed people are showing up for their alternative punishment. The DA says it's only a third of the time.
What we don't see is people that are engaged in a revolving door where people are being cited over and over again.
In Harris County, the sheriff's office told us cite and release is an option for deputies, one that could become more useful as the county grapples with jail overcrowding issues.
We're changing cultural understandings, and we're slowly nicking away at the old way of doing things. Even though it's been around since 2007, it's still fairly new to us.
Nick Notario, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.